Hey guys, welcome back to my backyard garden. And if you're new here, welcome and please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and share my video. Not much has happened this week. I just been trying to keep up with the harvest. The okra finally started coming in. The tomatoes are starting to come in. And the squash, the zucchini, the, what is that? Spaghetti squash, and what else do I have? Acorn squash. They're in the even my butternut squash is just about ready to harvest. So I am happy with my garden this year. I've harvested all my potatoes, all my garlic, all of my onions. I'm not sure when to harvest the lima beans, but I think I'm going to wait and let them dry and do a dry bean because they're kind of small, but they'll work fine with dried beans. So I just each week I want to put something up that I found out. Now okra is very healthy. I hope you all know that, and I hope everyone is growing okra because it is very healthy. A lot of people say they don't like it because it's slimy. I don't cook it very much. I just steam it a little and it's not slimy at all. I put it in my breads. I make my bread on the top oven, more like a pancake, and I'll put okra in it, and I'll use corn flour, wheat flour, and put the okra in there, just like you would do a regular cornbread, but I fry it up like a pancake. And because I'm not fixing that much, I'm the only one eating it. Mr. G don't eat it, so I just want to fix a little bit. So I hope all is going well with you and everyone is having a bounty harvest. And that's about all I have for this week. I hope you enjoyed the video. Rest of the video. The okra flowers are so pretty to me.
According to WebMD, okra is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as antioxidants that help reduce the risk of serious health conditions like cancer, diabetes, stroke, and heart disease. Okra is also a good source of magnesium, folate.
The trellis didn't get as full as I hope, but I wanted to show you my snake beans are starting to come in. I didn't recognize these leaves because I've never planted them before. I was looking at these leaves and I said, oh, the watermelon plant's coming over here. Didn't realize it was the snake beans. As my mother always said, we live and learn. This is the size I like. Not too big, not too small. This is my figs. I had a fig plant once. It lasted one season. And I did get some figs on it, but when they got to this point, something ate them. So I'm hoping I get some here. I did pick one. They're not quite ready. I have to wait for them to get a little darker. But this thing has grown so much. so nice to go out in your garden and get what you need to prepare your dinner. Don't have to get in the car and go anywhere. Love gardening. And this is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.